In the last video, we had seen how we can enable or how we can configure the endpoint protection policy through Sophos Central Admin. Now in this video, we will see if you have enabled any policies or settings through the policies configuration on the Sophos Central Admin panel on the client machine, and you want to prevent the end user to making any changes inside the policy on the endpoint agent. So you need to just configure the Tamper protections which is provided by the Sophos Central Admin. So you need to go on the settings and see this is the Tamper protections. Basically this helps the administrator to prevent for making any changes on the endpoint agent, whereas in case if any administrator want to make the changes, so just they can enter the Tamper protection password and they can access the machine and they can make the changes inside the policy or inside the endpoint protection policy settings. So for that you need to go on the Tamper protection over here, and by default Sophos Central Admin always make it power on, but if you want to make the changes, so you can just put it off, and once you will put it off, so the endpoint agent settings will be changed as well. So just you can verify, cross verify over here. So this is the option, because this option is coming because it was just on, and we have just making changes, we are putting it off. So once it will be off and policy will be synchronized with the endpoint, so this options will be hidden as well. So because this option is coming because it is by default on, and I'm not going to make any changes, so I just canceled it. Now we just want to access this client agent, so I need to just click over here. So what is the password, how we can set the password for for the client endpoint agent? So we need to just go on the um, system, like computers, and the computer where you want to log in the machine through the Sophos endpoint agent, I mean Tamper protection password. So you need to click on the machine where you want to making changes. So just go on the more action, and in the more action you need to go on the Tamper protection, and you need to just click on the view password details. Either if you want to disable the Tamper protection on a single machine, so just you will click over here, or if you want to log in through the password, so just you need to click on the view password details. So in the password details, each and every machine's password will be different. You need to just click on the copy, and you will go on the client endpoint agent, and you will just make it paste, and you will click on the admin. It will just validate the password. Once it will be validated, so it means you have logged in on the client endpoint agent settings. So you will see now setting option is visible, and here you can make the changes as per your requirement, like you will just put it override Sophos Central policy for up to 4 hours to troubleshoot. So because sometimes admin need these options, so they can make the changes for the troubleshooting purpose. So you can put it off, so it will, because you have already override the Sophos Central policy, you have selected this, so you can make the changes as well. And once your changes will be done, or once your troubleshooting will be done, so just you will click over here, and you will just sign it out. And once you will sign it out, so again it will ask the password. So this is the way which you can follow to access any Sophos and Sophos endpoint agents which is managed by the Sophos Central Admin console, and you can just put the password, Tamper protection password, and you can access the settings and you can make the changes accordingly. Thank you for watching this video.